10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls.
So I'm finna start prepping my hair. I've been using this K18 shampoo and conditioner. I guess it's working for me. I haven't been using it that long, so I don't know yet. And then once I get out, I'm gonna follow up with my Camille Rose conditioner. But let me go wash my hair and I'll be back to blow dry it.
Young girl, no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stupid thick purge. Young girl, no one that they working my nerves. I'm out the pause for serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in it big with P. Litty. QP. I love my bitches, this pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trapping, I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Giver's my only decision. Young girl, no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stupid thick purge.
Like fuck you me. I bought you diamonds and all of the things that you wanted. Like fuck you me. I bought you Gucci and Gucci, Chanel and Bottega. Like fuck you me. I bought you all of the things that you wanted. Like bitch, don't fuck with me. Bitch, don't fuck with me. Bitch, don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with my vibe. 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 Don't fuck with my vibe.
Alright y'all, so all done. I don't know how I'm gonna preserve my hair overnight, but I'm gonna have to figure that out. But tomorrow we're doing lashes and then we're getting our hair done. See y'all tomorrow. Hey Google, pause the music. Morning guys, so I'm doing my lashes. She had to push me back because she needs to go to the hair store. So my appointment was supposed to be at 10, but she told me to come at 11. It's 10:30 right now. I probably should have got up and started doing these lashes, but I was just laying in the bed being lazy, so kind of need to rush to make sure I'm on time. But I'm supposed to be in a chair right now, y'all. I really I felt like 10 was kind of, that was the only time she had as she do hair, so I feel like that was kind of late to do individual braids because they take so long. But 11 even later, but whatever. I was gonna try to do some of my friends around 6, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see how it goes. But I'm doing 16 to probably like 12. Yeah. I'm trying to think if I had anything else to say. I accidentally prepaid for my appointment when I was booking. I thought I was doing my deposit, but I was actually paying the full price. And she does have like a deal, but the deal didn't take off of the add-ons. So I had to hit her up. And luckily she responded to me fast, and she just like refunded me for the difference. But yeah, so my hair appointment already paid for, so I just gotta show up. I don't need to stop at the bank or nothing. But yeah, and I had to, my stupid self, I looked up hydro, the hydro drug, and I clicked on the first thing that popped up, and I seen they had some cups on sale for $14. So I'm like, oh, let me hurry up and get one. And then once I got through trying to pay, it said card declined. It kept saying that. So I'm like, what the hell? And I eventually realized I'm not on the hydrodrug.com. I'm on, I think it was, the website just said Hydro Drug. And it had two J's. So I'm like, oh my God, I'm on some type of scam website. So I locked my card, and then I'm just like, I'm not even gonna risk it. I'm just gonna cancel this card altogether. So I'm waiting for my new card to come in the mail. I think it said 3 to 5 days. And it's a holiday coming up, so this like a bad time to be needing a new card. But at least my hair appointment already paid for, so I don't gotta worry about that. But yeah, I think that's it, y'all.
It's safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big tripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused. Yeah, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some gas and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch or both. Make a braid, this nigga's like getting low. I spent time on the roots on the Lambo and didn't even know how to beat them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Got it, but don't play with me, period. Follow behind the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. The promise to God, the period. Oh, he ain't know.
I know this purple set hate to see me coming. Alright, y'all. I need to hurry up and leave. I need to get my snacks. Period. Right on time.
Why my bad bitch?
I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
I
down
volume,
bad,
I
but now
volume,
a bitch
I volume.
okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT.
I'm all done, y'all. This hair feels so heavy. And she curled the ends. I'm gonna show y'all better once I get to the house because the sun behind me is such an awkward angle. Alright, I'm gonna be back. I'm trying to catch this light. Hold up. Oh shit. Alright, y'all, I'm back home. Here's the braids. It's so weird seeing myself without red hair. I got so used to it. It's weird seeing myself with black. Here's the ends. She ate. This hair feels so heavy. I'm walking and I just feel this hair smacking me. This hair feels so heavy. But it's super cute. I guess I got medium and I'm but yeah, I got medium knotless thigh length braids. I got stuff all the way back here so y'all can see me. What y'all think? What y'all think? And she had a back to school deal going on, so I paid $280. I accidentally paid ahead of time, but yeah, that just made me feel like I got a freestyle. Girl math. But I don't think I have anything else to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Probably gonna be a nursing vlog or something. Bye.